Hi everyone,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. See, so today we are starting a topic. I hope you have already seen this topic, but lots of different questions and the theories will come. Numbers in other bases, right? Numbers in other bases. We know that if we have to write down the numbers, we can write down the numbers with the base of 10, right? Base of 10, right? Like if I'm giving you the example 314159, right? If this number is given, so I can rewrite this as in a decimal. We know that 10 to the power 0, 5 into 10 to the power 1 into 10 square, plus 4 into 10 cube, plus 1 into 10 to the power 4, plus 3 into 10 to the power 5. Right. So if the number first position number is given, so this will go with 9, the number digit of the number, into at the place of the number with n minus 1, right? 10 to the power 0. The second is written as 5 into 10 to the power 1, 2 minus 1, and so on, right? So we can write the numbers in this form, right? First theorem on this is every positive number in the form of integers can be written as a sum of distinct power of 2. Right? We can represent any number, right, in any positive integers with distinct power of 2. Right? Like if I'm saying the number 31, right? 31, if I want to go for the number 31, that will be the power of, so 2 to the power 5 is one of the number, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power, right, 16 we can write as 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 8. Number is coming as 2 to the power 3, right? Then 2 square, the number 4, right? Plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 0, something like this. So if you can see the number, we can write any number like 31 as a power, the 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3, and so on. So I'm writing all the numbers in this form, right? Why I'm able to write down the number in this form? So if you can see any number 2 to the power k, right? I'm subtracting any number 2 to the power k with n is the number. So I'm able to write down each and every even numbers and odd numbers in this case, like 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 is the 2 square is the number 4, and so on, right? So any n can lie in between, right? We can always find a number that always lies between these two, right? So if I'm saying we have to write down the number n is equal to 74 as the sum of power of 2. Do it fast. I'm not giving you the binary or something, right? Just I'm showing you कि any number n I can represent as a sum of base 2. Very good. Two to the power 6 is 64. Then 10 is there to 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 1. I guess everyone is getting this, right? So this is the first theorem. I hope, right? This is one of the basic thing. Everyone is getting this. Plus, okay, everyone. Sanjana, very good.
Yes.
Uh, right. The second theorem of this is the second theorem. Theorem 2 is every positive integer can be written as a sum of distinct power of 2 in only one way, right? So what I'm saying, if I'm writing n is equal to the number n is written as the digit 0, 2 into d1 plus 2 square into d2 and something d of k into 2 to the power k. Similarly, n I'm writing some in the form of e naught 2, e1 2 square, e2 up to ek 2 to the power k. If I'll equate this, you can understand this d naught minus e naught, right? 2 into d1 minus e1 and so on up to into 2 to the power k will be equal to 0. So each and every, like, obviously we know that this is 0, right? So any of d naught minus e naught must be divisible by 2 and this line between minus 1 to 1. That is possible only if d naught minus e naught is equal to, you see, this is equal to 0. Similarly, I can find this is divisible by 4, so this will be 0. So each and every number must be equal to, okay. So any integer I can write in the form of only one way. Right? Then this is known as the binary system. When we are saying that we have to represent as a divisible by 2, 4, right? This you have to understand. It's not only for binary. You can take the number 3, take the number 4, take the number -5, take the number -10, take the number 13 by 5, take the number 16 by 7. This base could be anything, right? I'm not saying that the base is only the base is only 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not saying this. I'm saying the bases could be are -10, -5. Any negative number could be the base, or the basis will be 15 by 5, 16 by 7, 22 by 9, or so on, right? And most important part, we are not only restricted to these numbers. right? What we have studies up to this number is the integers only, but you'll not, you will be surprised with this. I can make the base of 5 plus I or 5 minus I also. The complex number or the imaginary numbers are also the base of the numbers, right? So we can, right, create the question on the base as the imaginary number also, right? So we know that the natural numbers are there, right? If natural numbers are there, then we know that the integers are there, that I'm saying integers are also the base of this. And then we can know that this will be the rational numbers, this could be the base, or some irrational number could be the base, or any real number could be the base. I'm saying the irrationality, right? Root 2, root 5, any basis, we can take the basis as root 2, root 5 also. Transcendental numbers. What are these transcendental numbers? क्या होता है ये? बहुत बार यूज होंगे एग्जाम्स में. What are this transcendental numbers? Anyone? One number is rational, right? Irrational. And in this, I'm saying numbers are transcendental numbers. Transcendental numbers are pi, e. These numbers are called transcendental numbers, right? What is the value of pi? You can write down in chat. You can write down in chat. Everyone, everyone. Very good. Sanjana, very good. Aditya, very good. Patani, very good, beta. और कोई? Very good. कैसे? Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You remember this? Up to how many places?
मुझसे कुछ हार्डली 15 या 17 होगा.
Oh, oh, oh.
सर उससे भी ज्यादा है मेरा पाए का.
Okay, okay. Shama, very good, beta. Utkarsh, very good. चलो मैं I'll read all this thing, right? चलो, very good. बहुत अच्छे. Sanjana, she has written 3.1428. Aditya is very intelligent, 22/7. Katayani, 3.1417. Receive 3.1415926535897932. Very good. Approximately
सर
3.14,
मैंने भी भेजा.
3.1. Aryan, you are great. 3.14 and 50 digits, right? Unfortunately, these are not the number pi. Pi is an irrational number. Pi is an irrational number. We are not able to define that number. Pi is called multiverse number. We are not able to combine this in one universe, right? So this is called multiverse. If you'll combine all the universe, then you'll get the number pi, right? So pi is one of the fascinating thing, right? In the nature, everywhere you will find pi, right? You know, like river, uh, like this from one point river will start and the other point it will end, right? All we know. So the starting and ending point, it goes something like this, the spiral way, right? If you'll, right, count the, like you'll measure this round figure and the straight one, right? So the ratio will be approximately value of pi. Right, that's true. One of the, like, magical equation is e to the power I pi plus 1 is equal to 0. Right, Euler has given this. In this number is transcendental, this number is transcendental, this number imaginary, this is additive inverse, and this is equality, and this is the number 0. Right? Yes, yes, this will be always different, right? Always different. The value of pi, if, like, someone will ask now, what is the value of pi? You have to say pi is an irrational number. We are not able to define that value. Approximate value of pi. Someone has given the this response in this. Approximate value of pi is something like this. We are not able to find value of pi. Right? This is transcendental. Same with E, right? E is the, like, this number is so mind-blowing number, right? Just like as pi and this thing, na, both the numbers, and next keep Fibonacci numbers, so now 1, 1, 2, then 3, then 5, then 8, and so the ratio of the number is called the golden ratio. Right, but chalo, baad mein kabhi aur, right? But this is about the numbers, right? So what I'm saying, like these are the real numbers, and real, and this I or something iota, if I'm getting on this, but this is called the complex number. If I'll add all this thing, then this is imaginary, and this complete thing is called complex. So basis could be anything. Right? Basis could be anything, not necessary the integers, but for the sake of all this thing, we are doing this as the first we are trying for all this thing, like we will go with the base is 2, base is 3, base is 16, up to 16 usually you are doing the things, right? सबसे अधिक respectful base का number होता है 12. I'll come into that, right? First we'll go with base 2, right? One by one coming into that, right? If I'm saying the number is given as 41, right? I have to write down as a base of this is with the base 10. So when we are writing 41 with this suffix as 10, means this number is 41 with the base 10. And I hope you all know how to write down this 10 base to base 2. Usually you can write down this as a base 1 also, right? But we are not able to write down the numbers as a base 0. Base 0 ke liye we don't have any option, because we know that 0 to the power 0 is, what is the value of 0 to the power 0? Write down in chat, be fast.
Sir, what was the question?
0 to the power 0, value of 0 to the power 0. Very good. Not defined. Right? We are not able to define the value. Very good.
लेकिन मेरे कैलकुलेटर में 1 दिख रहा है.
Right? Means you understand, the machine has the limitations we don't have. Right? एक तो वो मशीन की लिमिटेशन है, एंड उससे ऊपर वो मशीन बनाने वाले की भी लिमिटेशंस होगी. He is not able to, right, create that in the programming, he is not able to define that if someone is writing 0 to the power 0, then you have to write E, error or something. We are not able to define this. So he has not created the program in that, right? For the sake of if you are writing 2 to the power 0 or something, right? Yes, very true, beta. Not defined and infinity both are different, totally different. Not defined means I'm not able to define this exactly what is this, right? And if I'm saying infinity means it's a very, 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 very large, but we are not able to reach that value. So we know the wholeness of this number, the completion of this number is a very large number, but I'm not able to reach to that, right? So if I have to write down 41 as a base 2, I'm not going with I have to write down as a base, I have to divide this by 2 and all, right? If you all know 2, that's 0 and 10, 2, then 0, then 5, 2, divisible by 1, 4, right? So the number what you are getting every time is 0 and 2 ones are. So
1.
I have to write down something like this: 1 0 1 0 0 1. This is the base. But what I'm saying, why to write down like this is the kiddies way to write down every time when we have to write down. Right? We know that 41 is nothing but 2 to the power 5
Plus 2 cube.
plus 2 cube 32 plus 3, 8 is 40, 40 plus 1 is 2 to the power 0. Means I'm writing 2 to the power 5, 1 into plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0, 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So this number is 101001 with a base 2. Now both the way you can write. Right? Please note down. So this is the basic base 2. But we have to go till base 16. And then we have to convert one base to the other one. Right. A lot many things we have to do, and 100% one question in IOQM, 100% you are getting from this area, right? So we have to ensure in this process only 2-3 lectures, right? In next week, we have to make sure that at any cost, this will give me the marks, right? From right, uh, like this lecture onwards, now we have to secure our marks in IOQM. That's it. Right. I'm going to do only one thing. I have to go with one by one with one question in every week or 2 weeks. I have to secure 1 or 2 questions every 2 weeks. Right. So we'll be able to get a respectful marks in that. Right. So I hope everyone is getting this. So go for 94. Write down. Very good. Very good. Aryan, check करना बेटा. Just check it out, बेटा. Alta, very good. Satani, very good. Sanjana, very good. Utkarsh, very good. So I hope everyone is getting in. Just 2 to the power 6, the first number, right? I'm not getting 2 to the power 5. So I have to write down 2 to the power 4, 16. Then 8 means 2 cube. Then the number is 4 means 2 and one more and 2 to the power 0, 0 into. Right. यहाँ पर एक और होंगे. This is 2 to the power 5, 0 into. Right. 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. I guess something like this. Very good, everyone. I hope everyone knowing this, right? But going for theorem 3, third one. If b greater than equal to 2 for any values, I'm not giving this for base 1 or 0, right? B is called the base. Base of them, right? Any positive integer, as I said, can be written uniquely in the base B. It must be in the form of digits and this thing as D0 plus D1 into B plus D2 into B square D3 into B cube up to dk into B to the power k. But the condition is any of di must lies between 0 and less than b. This is either called the base or kuch books may, if you'll see, this is also called the radix, right? Usually we use as base, but in few books you'll see okay, this radix is given. That both are the same thing, right? Means what I'm saying, ki, this what is the meaning of this? I'm saying ki 279 or the base 7. This is one of the numbers. Can I write something like this? This 7 is representing
No,
the
sir.
number is 7. So 100% we are not able to write this number. Why? Because 9 is the number greater than 7, as well as 7 is the number there that is not required with the base 7. 10 के base में मैं 0 10 का तो number ही नहीं है मेरे पास ना, so we cannot write numbers in this form, right? Okay, everyone, right? So the base of any number, right? Digits of the number से हमेशा वो बड़े होने ही होने हैं. I hope everyone is getting it. And this one of the form, if I'm writing, this must be the unique form, right? Unique form. If I'm giving you the number, something like 111 with a base 7, right? So in the base 10, what is this number? 111 with a base 7. So the number is 7 to the power 0 plus 1 into 7 to the power 1 plus 1 into 7 to the power 1 plus 7 plus 49. That will be 57 with the base 10. Right? But in another way around, if I have to write down any base of the number in the base of the 10, so just you have to go with this, right? But if I'm saying you have to write down 31415 with a base 10 to base 8. Can you go for this? Try this.
Sir, center.
Very good. Very good. So I can rewrite this as 31415 quotient, and this is remainder, right? When dividing by 8, right? Sanjana, just check your calculation. Check your calculation. 3 times 10, 9 times 2, 6. Remainder is 7. When right? So as I said, you have to write down from bottom to up, means 75267, right? This is with the base. I hope Zeal, check your answer. Is this okay, beta? Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
okay. Note down, please. Note down. One more we will do. The same number, do the same number, 31415 with a base 7. Try this. These are the simple question. Just we have to keep in mind exactly how we have to go.
Sir, to base 10.
Base, you have to, this you have to convert into base of 10. Very good. Very good, everyone. तो बेस 10 में लाने में तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I hope everyone is getting this right. What is this number now? This number is 5 plus 1 into 7 to the power 1, 4 into 7 square plus 1 into 7 cube plus 3 into 7 to the power 4. So I hope everyone is getting it. 7754, something like this. But if I change this, do it. Only the basic calculation part. Okay, done. Wow, Aryan, very good. As we have written, quotients and remainder, right? 31415. 4487. 6 4 1 0 7 1 ja 1 4 13 7 ja 0 13 1 6 right 0 1 160406. I hope everyone is getting this. And this is the base.
सर वो 713 के बाद
13 के बाद हाँ this is 7.
और फिर 1 उसके नीचे
This one I'm writing here. Yeah. No? That's okay. Now, so this is the unique way to write down the number, but be careful. I'm not saying that this only the number base is 7, base is 8 or something. We can go up to number 16, the bases. Usually we go up to 16, right? 2 we know, 3 we know, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, if the bases are 10, we know that 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. But the problem will be if I'm going for base of 12, base of 13, 14, and 15, then there will be a confusion with 10, right? So we have to go for, right, every number like
letters
greater than 9 means after 10, if I'm going, then I have to take this as A, B, C, D, E, F, right? Right. After this, we have to take A, B, C, D, E, F. So accordingly, we have to go with the number like this will go with, right? The bases are, right? The numbers of the bases are accordingly go with the number, right? So we can go with if up to 10, 9, then 10, then 10 is the base, right? If I'm going greater than the number 10, then we have to take the number A, B, C, D, E, F and all, right? So how to write down the numbers if bases are greater than that we have to understand. And if I'm not giving the base, then we have to write down the numbers, something, right? These two things we are going to understand. If I'm writing 123, the base A is equals to 1002 with the base 4. Find value of A. Done, everyone?
सब भेज दिए।
सभी के डिफरेंट नंबर्स आ रहे हैं, that's interesting. Everyone check this out again. May I?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, right? So 100% A must be greater than 3. Is this okay? 100% A must be greater than 3. नहीं तो 3 तो मैं नंबर ही नहीं लिख पाऊंगा, right? So obviously A must be greater than 3. तो हमारे पास A को greater than equal to 4 होना चाहिए, या जो भी हमारे पास numbers आ रहे हैं उसके लिए, right? So the best thing, we can convert this into the base of 10, right? After like थोड़े से practice के बाद we'll go for, without changing the base, directly we have to go for A square is equals to 2 plus 0 into 4 to the power 1 plus 0 into 4 to the power 2 plus 1 into 4 to the power 3. A square plus 2A plus 3 is equal to, this is 2, and this is 64 plus 2, 66. So A square plus 2A minus of 63 is equal to 0. Right? So are you getting any factorization on this?
Yes, sir.
Right? What is
A
that?
plus 9 into A minus 7.
Is equal to 0, right? So A is equal to -9 or A is equal to 7. Negative के लिए तो अभी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा नहीं है, so we should go for the positive one. Why the different answers? Understand ना?
Yes.
this, Sanjana? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What if I'm giving you the question as 100 a plus 1? You have to write down the number in the base of a. It's a simple one. What you can say on this? 100 with the base a plus 1. A is not given, right? And you have to write down this as a base of a. So anything will come up with the base, right? So either like first half we were doing, you have to simply change the base with the numbers are given. Now I'm not giving you the number, just with the a or x, you have to change the bases. Very good. Very good. Very good. In base A, yes. Very good. Very good, everyone. Right. So this is one of the simple question, 1 into a plus 1 the whole square. So you can see directly the number is coming, right? 1 to 1. The number is 1 to 1 with the base. Right. This is the magic, right? Okay, this is 10 square with the base A plus 1 is 11 square with the base A. Or 10 to the power. Can you solve and can you prove this? 10 to the power n with the base a plus 1 is 11 to the power n with a base a. Is this true or not?
Sir, we can just directly do a plus 1 whole square and we get a square plus 2a plus 1, which is 1, 2, and 1 respectively.
So it is true.
You are Aryan, you are sticking with only 2. This is n. Maybe this is 5, 10, 15, 100. Then this will be true or not. That
सर
way.
पास्कल्स ट्रायंगल यूज करके ट्रू होगा.
Very good, very good, very good. कैसे पास्कल ट्रायंगल?
सर वो अरेंजमेंट्स पावर ऑफ 11 देते हैं.
You have writing pad है क्या तेरे पास? Something you
नहीं सर अभी
सर
नहीं है.
मेरे पास है, बट ना इसको मैं पूरा दे पाऊंगा.
okay, it's okay. तो प्लस ने जो बोला ना, that's a very good arrangement, very good arrangement, and वो बहुत प्यारा नंबर दिखता है. That's the reason I asked कि अगर होगा तो मैं दिखाता हूँ. First note it down, then what Utkarsh is saying ना, just I'll show you up. Numbers में each and every number having the magic नहीं. हर एक नंबर के अपनी कुछ पूरी कहानी, राइट? Okay, this problem, Hamta, see, this is I'm saying 100 with a base a plus 1. So 100 with a base a plus 1 means 0 into a plus 1 to the power 0 plus 0 into a plus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into a plus 1 the whole square. Right, this will be 0, this will be 0, this is nothing but a plus 1 the whole square, this is a square plus 2a plus 1, I'm writing a to the power 0. So exactly the number is a to the power 0 into 1, 2 into a to the power 1, 1 into a square. So this is 1 to 1 with a base a. Okay, Sanjana, this okay?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Right? What if I'm giving you 1101 with a base a plus 2? What we can write this as a base a? How, just after this, we will discuss, Kristen. Very good. That Pascal triangle is the magic, right? You can find like hundreds of results from that Pascal triangle. Actually, ना, all you are doing this question ना, but चलो एक सेकंड के लिए मैं दिखा दूं, right? Actually, the Pascal triangle is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, then 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, then 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. See, if you'll see this now, this is 1, 1. This is 1, 11 to the power 1. This is 1 to 1. This is 11 square. This is 11 cube, 1331. This is 11 to the power 4. But see this one. This is not the digit of 10, 10 number, right? So we have to write down the, from last time writing 5, 1, 5, that will be 0, 1 carry forward. This will be 1, then 1 carry forward, 6, 1. This is 11 to the power 5. Again, this is 1, 6, 5, 1, 7, 1, 6, 1. This is 11 to the power 6 and so. Right. So when you'll combine the number and write it down, na, so this, the composite number is always come as, right, 11 is in the power. Right. Just you have to think why this is coming so, right? बाद में आराम से सोचना, इसी लेक्चर में हम लोग डिस्कस करें. So what is the number? Very good. What is the number now?
Sorry, 1872.
सर आप बेस 10 में पूछ रहे हैं
Base A में.
सर आंसर जो मैंने लिखा है वो गलत है क्या
एक मिनट अभी जस्ट करता हूँ. Just wait. Or you are assuming base A. A is greater than 16. Something you have to write for A. It depends on A, right? It depends on A. See what I'm saying. See, this is obviously, right? You have written A plus 2, right, to the power 0, 1, plus 0 into A plus 2 ka power 1, plus 1 into A plus 2 ka power 2, plus A plus 2 ka power 3. So after solving this, what you are getting, this is 1 only, this is 0 only, this is A square plus 4A plus 4 plus A cube plus this will be 3 into 4, 12, A plus 6A square plus 8. So this is A cube plus 16A, sorry, 10A square plus 6A square, no? 6 plus 1, 7. 7A square plus 16A plus
13.
right. So now see, if I'm saying A is greater than 16, then only you can write this number as 13 as a number, 1, 16 as a second number, 7 and 1. Are you getting this? Right? If the number would be less than, let's suppose I'm saying ki A is 8 only. Right? So if A is 8 only, so we can't write this as 13. We have to write down, right, when it will be divided by 8, the remainder will be 5. So 1 A is going to this place. Are you getting this? Everyone getting this? What I'm saying? What I'm saying now, let A is the number, right, divisible by, like it may be 9, right, maybe 9 if I'm saying, or maybe 10. चलो बेस के लिए मैं 10 ही रख लेता हूँ, सबसे आसान आपको पड़े. अगर मेरे ये 10 हो जाते हैं तो you can see this as, this is 10 cube, 7 into 10 square plus 16 into 10 plus 13. अब ऐसे तो नहीं लिख सकता ना मैं, right? So what I have to write? This I have to write 3 plus 10. राइट, एक 10 यहाँ चला जाएगा तो ये 17 हो गया. तो 17 को मैं लिखूंगा 7 into 10 प्लस 100, राइट, एक टर्म. तो 8 into 10 स्क्वायर प्लस 10 क्यूब. इज दिस ओके? So this number will be 7381 if I'm saying this is 10. So for A, like what number is given, that is very important. Ki A is greater than 1 or less than, sorry, A is greater than 10, less than 10, or some number is greater than 16. If greater than 16 is given, so I can write this as a number easily. But we have not to write down 13. For 13, what I have to write? A, B, C, D.
B.
Right? And for 16?
So C होगा ना?
G.
C. And for 16?
G.
G नहीं जाता बेटा, F तक.
नहीं, F तक होता है. A B C D E F, then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
Right? So it depends ki where my number is going. Right? At up to what number it is going. It depends on A. Is this okay? Right? So this question will be difficult, right? तो हमारे पास और भी ऑप्शन अभी आएंगे. So this is the first thing when we have to write down the number. But इस पूरे numbers में if you see, मैंने कहीं भी decimal use नहीं किया, right? Fraction मैंने कहीं भी use नहीं किया, केवल integers वाले number दिए. But if it is given 0.47 with a base of 5. So I hope you all know what we can write. 4 by 5 plus 7 by 5 square. But if I'm writing the number 47 only, so this 47 with the base 5 is 7 into 5 to the power 0 plus 4 into 5 to the power 1. You like this already we know that, right? So what I'm doing, just I'm giving you a question. A fraction 7 by 16 with a base 6. Fine. What is the fraction number of this?
In base 10.
Base 7 by 16 is given, right? In the base 10. Now we have to write down this fraction as a 7 by 16 as a base 6. 7 by 16 is given. I'll write something this way. So I guess no confusion will be there. The number with a base 6. Okay. It's a beautiful arrangement of numbers, so be careful, right? This will take time, right? So no worry, take time, right? We have 4 to 5 minutes for this question. Take your time. This one, we have taken as a base 10. If I have taken base 10, so 13, I can write 3 plus 10. This 10 will be carried forward to this. This will be 17 into 10. 17 into 10, I can write down 7 into 10 plus 100, 100 will be carried forward to this, then this will be 8 into 100, right? And this will not affect it. Okay. Okay, Sanjana.
Sir, sent.
I have not
Sir.
approximately exact number.
सर लेकिन 6 से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो कंटिन्यूस होगा ना.
वही चाहिए ना बेटा. Exact
sir.
number will come, right? Essentially, we have to do it.
Okay, sir.
These are the basic concepts, right? You have to be very strong with these concepts.
और मैं फ्रैक्शन में लिख लूँ तो चलेगा.
Fraction means
मतलब कि लाइक इन फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म डेसिमल पॉइंट्स पे नहीं.
that's right. That's right. Not in this form. Aryan, not in this form. May I start one question? Because
अरे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है अच्छे से.
हाँ मैं समझाता हूँ बेटा. Just मैं समझाता हूँ. No worry. See, when we have to get this fractions, right? So we know that this 7 by 16 as a fraction, we assume that this is 0, A1, A2, A3 up to AN. I'm not knowing where this will be terminating. So I'm writing the complete number A1, A2, A3. So 7 by 16 with the base 10, I'm writing this as A1 by 6 plus A2 by 6 square plus A3 by 6 cube plus A4 by 6 to the power 4 plus A5 by 6 to the power. I don't know where this will end, but this is the number, right? Is this okay? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Now I have to now find value of A1, A2, A3. This is not not very tough, but this is not easy. So why I'm saying both the things? See, I'm saying this is, if I'm going to find this out from this result, this will be very tough. But what I'm doing, one by one, if I'll find this number A1, A2, A3 one by one, then this will be very easy. How? So I'm multiplying this by 6. So if I'm multiplying this by 6, so this will be A1 plus A2 by 6, A3 by 6 square, A4 by 6 cube, and so on. So this
Sir?
number is the integer.
सर ये सेम मेथड हो गया ना फिर.
Right? This number will be the integer and everything will be fraction. So 16, 42 by 16, 42 by 16. What number we are getting? Plus 10 by 16. Is this okay? So I can directly say this value.
2.625.
No, not in the point form. A2 by 6, A3 by 6 square, A4 by 6 cube, and so on. So directly I can say A2 is equal to, sorry, A1 is equal to 2. Now again, I have to find the second value, right? Again, I'm doing the same thing, multiply by 6. So 10 into 6 by 60 is A2 plus A3 by 6 plus A4 by 6 square, and so on, right? 60 by 16.
3.
3 plus
12 by 16.
12 by 16 is equal to A2 plus A3 by 6, A4 by 6 square, and so on. So A2 is equal to 3. right? Now, again multiply with 6.
72 by 16, which would be 4, so 8 by 16 would be left.
Very good. So 72 by 16. So what we are getting for A3?
Sir, we would get 4 plus 8 by 16.
8 by 16. Wow. Now this is working. See, A4 by 6, A5 by 6 square, and so on to A3 is equal to 4. Now, this is nothing but 1 by 2 only. Again multiplying with 6, right? So this is 3 is equal to A4 plus A5 by and 6 plus A6 by 6 square, A7 by 6 cube. All these numbers are fraction, but this is coming as the integer. So A4 is equal to 3 and the rest of the number will be 0. So I can say this number is nothing but 0.2343. Is this okay? Not like just the calculation part, right? That will give you the थोड़ा सा एंजाइटी देगा, not a big deal. Hey everyone. Um, okay.
Sir,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
sir, if it would have been in a base greater than 10, then then also,
Then also the same thing. Right. Same method we have to go. Like the numbers we can take up to. Right. मैं क्वेश्चन भी एक क्रिएट करता हूँ पहले बेस कम के लिए. Like I'm giving you 9 by 20 with a base 10. We have to write down this as number with a base basic. just the calculation part, right?
Sir, send
Very good, Marianne. Very good, Kasev. Very good, Sanjana. How you are calculating, Sanjana? Hmm. This will end, obviously, but like, or this will repeat itself, right?
हाँ सर रिपीट होगा इसीलिए
हाँ।
मैंने सिर्फ फर्स्ट फोर ही डाले
यस सर रिपीट होंगे
ठीक है ना? So, but one question, right? One question we have to go, as Katani asked, exactly if I'm giving you the simple question on this is okay now, everyone? Right? I'm giving you some right simple question on this, right? With the base 10. Two by 5, and we have to go for base 50. Go. This is the simple one, right? Just I want to show ki, this like we can just convert for greater than 10 also, we can go with the numbers. because the factor of 5 is given
Sir,
there.
done.
Factor of 5 is given, so directly you will get the answer, right? In the easiest form, you will get the answer. Very good, everyone. Aditya,
Yes.
Jaldi. Tanay, very good, beta. It's a very good. Atani, very good, very good. Understand? So nothing different, no difference, right? Same thing.
I thought that like greater base we cannot multiply, like, if it was.
So only the bases are changing now. So like I can go for the any base, right? The number system, right? As I was saying, the number system that ended with 10, this gives the like natures give this insight we have to go with 10. How? Think. Basic logic. Nature gives you the insight कि we have to go with a 10. But in the recent mathematical way, the best could be the 12 one. So how nature is giving?
Easy, like
See the finger.
10 finger.
The best way. Right? This
Yeah.
is the natural way. Na? कि this is the natural numbers, right? So 10. But the base is 10. So
Yes.
like when we are not able to count the numbers and all, right? तब भी मैं अपने सिप को लेके जाता हूँ वो जंगल में, right? And when I have to back from that, right? Then I have to count how many sips now. I have to go with how many sips, right? So the best way to count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then for this 10, I can put a stone for this. Right? For next 10, I can put a second stone. Then next, I can put the stone, right? Then 5 stone and this many sips I have. This is the best way because I don't know number, that's 54. But I know if 5 stones are there and this 4 fingers means these many sips I have. Right? So that could be the natural way, right? But now when we have to divide, right? When we have to divide now, so 12 is the number like that's 1/3 portion is also coming as a 1/3 means 4 1/4 portion is also in like a very good number you'll get as 1/4, right? So अब मानते हैं but I hope everyone is okay with this. The number is 0.6. How many of you got this? Everyone?
Yes.
Right? One question, right? How the question of 2-mark question of IUQM, right, is look like, right? See, a 2-digit number A with a base 11 is 1/3, right? One-third of the 2-digit number with a B with a base 19, right? Find possible numbers of this. A11,
Can you repeat the question?
a 2-digit number A with a base 11 is 1/3 of the number B with the base 19. Then find possible 2-digit numbers.
Sir, A and B are 2-digit numbers.
Yes, beta. वो 10x plus y वाले जो जाते थे ना, मैं स्टार्ट करूं। What is the number? What are the options you have? One, two, three only. Let's see. This A is a number. I'm assuming this number is nothing but 10A plus B with a base 11 is equal to 1/3 of, right? So 10A plus B, but we know that this having the base 11. So what should I write? This is 10A plus B. Instead of 10 plus B, I have to write down 11A plus B with a base 11, right? And that is equal to 1/3, means I'm changing this into the base 10, both having the base 10, then only I can compare both the numbers, right? And this I can write, right? This will be reverse and away. So 19B plus A. So 33A plus 3B is equal to 19B plus A. What I'm getting, 32A is equal to 16B. Aha.
That would mean that A would be 1, B would be 2, A would be 2, B would be 4, A would be 3, B would be 6.
So how many options are possible? A and B. 1,
12, 24, 36, 48. That's it.
2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8,
5 से 10 हो जाएगा sir.
5, 10. Then 6, 12 will not write. Why? Why I'm not writing?
Because फिर वो 10 bases ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
11 base से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
Right. We have the base up to 11 now. Base 11 means, right, I can go up to 10. Right? So see basis में कितने variety आने हैं. This I have started. अभी तक मैं वहां तक तो पहुंच ही नहीं पाया. When you have to convert one base 11 to base 19 directly. Right?
फिर
And
हमने 19B plus A कैसे लिया?
the number is reverse ना. So if the number is written in the form of AB, so this will be BA, right? So,
Sir, was there in the question?
huh?
Sir, ये question में था क्या?
That's it was the question na. 2-digit number A11 is reverse, that is 1/3 of the number.
Oh.
Then अच्छा, you have equated both the number क्या?
Yes, sir, मैंने reverse लिखा नहीं, मतलब मुझे लगा नहीं.
मैं मिस कर गया, जल्दी बोल गया. Okay.
Okay,
So the next lecture na, we are going to under root and the multiplication of two base numbers. Right. We will do all this thing. Okay. चलो आज के लिए यही रखते हैं. Thank you everyone. Right. फिर मिलता हूँ मैं.